Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, before we begin our discussion for the day, can you lead the prayer, Miss Almin?
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
So, the attendance ay mag-attendance na lang, magsimula muna sa'yo, Miss Almin. And ipalibot ka sa lahat ng iyong mga kamag-anak. So, habang nag-attendance kayo, who was the one to give summary about last discussion yesterday? Yes, Miss Ledesma?
Major for the housing system wherein animal welfare costs and management needs. Cage system are efficient but restrict movement. Barn system allowed some freedom indoors. Free-range system offer outdoor access, enhancing welfare but increasing risk. Organic system prioritize natural behaviors and sustainability but demands high input. More freedom often raises mortality rates, while confinement can cause chronic issues.
Yes, you are right. Nakuha mo lahat ng puntos. Yes, last discussion is all about the four major housing system na kung saan sabi nga ni Ms. Ledesma ay ang fourth system or ang four major housing system ay binubuo ng cage system na it is all about two efficient but straight movement. Ang pangalawa, ang barn system that offered in indoor, and while the free-range system, it is offered in the outdoor, and lastly, the organic system to provide natural behavior and sustainability but high amount. So now, dahil naiintindihan nyo ang first topic natin yesterday, can someone give me connection of our new discussion for today? So now, what is the interconnectedness or relationship of four major housing system sa lesson natin ngayon na pinamagatang mortality and laying hens? So by the way, ang mortality, ang ibig sabihin ay ito ay ang number of deaths. So again, mortality, it is all about the number of deaths. So, sino makapagbibigay ng relationship about sa bagong discussion natin ngayon sa first topic natin? Yes, Miss Almin?
There is a clear relationship between the four major housing systems and the causes of mortality and needs. Each housing system creates different environmental health and behavioral conditions that influence why and how and stand. The relationship is essentially a trade-off between natural behavior, expression, and control over health and safety risks.
Thank you, Miss Almin. So, tama yung sinabi ni Princess Almin. So, ang each different housing of four major housing systems sa poultry ay create of a different environment, health that influence to kung paano at kung bakit namamatay ang hens at nagkakaroon ng mortality. So, ang importante sa pag-aaral natin ngayon dito sa mortality and laying hens ay maiiwasan natin kung paano di magkaroon ng mortality. So, madidiscuss natin yon mamaya sa ating lecture. So, student, ang pasensya na kasi ngayon burnout ngayon. So, mabuti na lang nakaprepare ako ng instructional materials para sa ating lesson for today. So, okay na ba sa inyo? Okay. So, kung makikita nyo may 7 dito. These 7 are the categories. These are the 7 causes para magkaroon ng mortality sa laying hens. Number 1, infectious disease. Mga parasitic infection kung saan nagkakos ng death na kung saan magkakaroon ng cause ng mortality. Like disease like coccidiosis, meiosis. Then, next, nutritional deficiencies. Dapat sa nutritional deficiencies, dapat appropriate ang binibigay na calcium, phosphorus, and vitamins sa mga hens. Like, especially calcium. Kung makikita nyo sa itlog na makikita kayong parang soft shell. Yung soft shell na yon ay kulang siya sa calcium. Dapat more on calcium siya para ang shell niya maging, yung natural talaga yung matigas. And vitamins para maging masiguro natin ang kanilang healthy, basta for healthy sila. So, number 3, injuries and trauma. So, ang injuries, nakukuha siya kapag nahulugan ng mga bagay-bagay sa loob ng housing system. Kaya dapat siguraduhin natin na ang mga nasa loob ay hindi hazard para sa ating mga inalagaan ng mga hens. Ang sunod, ang pang-apat, ang behavioral causes. So, ang mga behavioral causes dito, like cannibalism, alam niyo ba yung pagtuka-tuka sa kapwa nila hens, na kung saan nagkakos ng bleeding, yun ay makaka-epekto rin para magkaroon ng mortality dahil sa pwede maging infect yung mga tinukaan. Then, next, environmental factors. Hindi maiiwasan ang environmental factors. This is the natural factors na hindi natin maiiwasan na nagkakos ng mortality. Now, next, ang predation. Ang predation, yung tawag dito yung mga like aso, cat, na kung saan kinakain ng mga hens. Kaya dapat siguraduhin natin na hindi dapat makapasok or walang butas na makapasok ang mga predation para maiwasan ang mortality. And number 7, management and system design. So, dapat i-manage natin ang ating mga hens. Dapat may proper monitoring, biosecurity, and proper medication for the hens. Naintindihan niyo ba, class?
Yes, sir.
Parang hindi naman.
Yes, sir.
So, para, nakikita ko parang naboboring na kayo, please stand. And, like this, and round, round. Again. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay na. Sige. Sit down. So, naintindihan ba talaga, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so, I have a questions para matest kung naintindihan niyo ba talaga ang aking lesson. So, number 1, what are the common and most preventable causes of hens mortality? Yes, Miss Almin?
Infectious disease.
So, bakit mo nasabing infectious disease? Give me reasons.
Siya po predict through medication.
Okay. Yes, tama yung sinabi niya. So, ang common preventable causes of hens mortality means preventable kaya nating ma-prevent. So, infectious disease, sinabi ko nga kanina, na kaya natin ma-prevent ang infectious disease by medication, by applying vaccination, and dagdagan ko pa, ang pwede pa natin ma-prevent ang nutritional deficiencies. So, take vitamins, calcium, and phosphorus for the hens. And injuries and trauma, i-disseminate yung mga equipment o mga malalaking bagay na kung saan makaka-injuries, magkakakos ng injuries sa mga hens. Then, ang behavior causes, alisin yung mga nagtutuka sa kanila. May mga ganyan na attitude. Pero, mahirap dahil sa number of hens, diba? Di natin makikita kung alin ba, hindi natin ma-identify agad. Then, predation, yung siguraduhin na wala makakapasok ng mga aso at pusa para hindi magkaroon ng mortality dahil sa mga predation. Then, management and system design, ganun din, manage tayo ng biosecurity, yan. Lalo na yung mga design ng mga housing. Yes. Then, now, lastly, what can you to prevent at least 3 major causes of mortality?
Sir,
Yes, Ronaldine.
to address at least 3 major causes of mortality.
So, kung mapapansin nyo, may activity tayo. Siyempre, gagawin natin yan. Bakit ko na? Activity! So, the instruction na dito, basahin na lang. Babasahin ko para sa inyo at parang mahirap kayo magbasa dyan. Number 1, identify the cause of mortality from the categories. From the 7 categories, you will identify the causes. Ito yung problem ha. Sa problem na ito, i-identify nyo kung ano ang causes nito. Kung infectious disease, nutritional deficiencies, and so on. And number 2, recommend 1 to corrective actions and solutions. So, magbibigay kayo ng 1 or 2 actions and solutions para maiwas maiwasan ang tinutukoy nito. Okay? Gets ba?
Yes.
So this is the paper na gagamitin. Okay? And you? So you have 5 minutes to answer and another 5 minutes for presentation. So good luck. So the 5 minutes for preparation is already done. So, handa na ba ang lahat mag-present?
Yes.
Yes, so simulan natin kay Ms. Ledesma. Okay.
So, good morning everyone. The case problem, the hens shows sign of diarrhea, weight loss, and a 12% increase in death over 1 week. So, the cause, nutritional deficiencies. So, the possible actions or solutions to apply medication para maiwasan ang pagkamatay ng mga hens. That's all po.
Yes. Give 5 claps for Ronan and Ledesma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how about Mrs. Alin? Can you present your solution and cause for the case problem?
So, morning everyone. So, the case and problem, the hen shows signs of diarrhea, weight loss, and a 12% increase in death over 1 week. So, the cause is nutritional deficiencies, and the action and solutions is, sa actions, vitamins, and the solutions is para magkaroon sila ng more energy and then madagdagan ang kanilang kilo.
Okay, thank you Miss Alvin and Ronan Ledesma. Halata maintindihan nyo ang ating discussion. So tama ang mga sinabi nyo na para ang cause nito ay ang nutritional deficiencies and the action is to provide vitamins and medicate para maiwasan ang nutritional deficiency at para na rin maiwasan ang mortality and dying hens. So, dumako na tayo sa ating quiz. So, this is our quiz. Okay? So, provided ko po ang inyong answer sheet. And wait lang. Kukunin ko ang answer sheet. Yes? This is for you and for you. So, number 1, describe how for management contributes to higher incidence of disease. You have 25 points. Then number 2, illustrate on how you inspect a plaque for parasitic infections in a pre-range system. 50 points. And number 3, how do you feel about the ethical responsibility of reducing mortality and hence? You have 10 minutes to answer of that. At pag natapos nyo na, you can leave. And good. Everybody's done na ba?
Yes.
So, can I collect the paper? Answer sheet? So, have a better day and goodbye.
Goodbye, Sir